Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change text size in X application using your mobile device. If you want to make your feed easier to read on your phone, then this guide will help you out. First of all, tap open the X application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into the account. Once logged in, from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Accessibility, Display and Languages and tap on it. Under the option, go ahead and select Display and Sound. Now, under Display, you will see a slider. You can increase or decrease the slider as per your requirement, and this will change your text size in the display. The preview above the slider shows you how the changes look in real time. Once you're happy, you can just go back and the changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text size in the X app. Now your feed should be much easier to read and customized to your liking. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.